Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to today's episode of your English listening and speaking practice. Today, we are doing something special. This is your shadowing practice challenge. It's a chance to speak out loud, grow your confidence, and improve your English with me, step by step. So, how was your day? Did anything make you happy today? Did you learn something new in the last episode? If you did, that's great. I'm really proud of you. If not, that's okay too. You are here now, and that is what truly matters. Now, let's be honest for a moment. Only listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak English better, you need to speak, speak, speak. But how do you begin? Sometimes it feels scary, confusing, or you don't know what to say. That's where shadowing helps. Shadowing means you listen, you repeat, and you copy how I speak. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the melody of each sentence. It's not about being perfect, it's about feeling comfortable speaking English with your voice, your mouth, and your breathing. Even if you speak slowly, that's fine. Even if you make mistakes, that's even better. Mistakes show that you are learning. Remember this, it's not about how much you study, it's about how often you practice. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. So if you are here with me now, you are already doing well. Today we will practice 30 simple sentences. You will hear me say them slowly and clearly in a British accent. There will be a pause. That pause is your time to repeat after me. Just follow the subtitles on the screen. Look at the highlighted words. They will help guide you. And speak out loud. Yes, even if it feels a little strange at first. This practice is perfect for beginners in English. Don't try to do too much. Don't overload your mind. Start small and stay consistent. So, are you ready? Let's warm up your English muscles and speak together. Let's begin your shadowing challenge. Welcome again to this shadowing English speaking practice. My name is Tara, and I truly enjoy teaching English. Now you may be asking, why shadowing and why British English? Great questions. Let's talk about that. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve speaking, listening, and pronunciation at the same time. When you shadow, you don't only listen, you copy. You hear the words and then say them like an echo. This helps your mouth learn English sounds. It helps your brain learn English sentence patterns. Slowly, with time, you start to sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. About British English, this is simply my accent. It is clear, calm, and easy to understand. But remember, British, American, or Australian English all have the same goal. That goal is helping you understand and speak with confidence. So don't worry too much about the accent. Focus on the rhythm, the stress, and the music of the sentence. Listen carefully, then speak clearly with me. And don't worry if it's not perfect. You are learning. You are showing up. And honestly, that is what matters most. Are you ready to start your first set of shadowing sentences? Let's do it together. All right, great. But before we start, I need one small promise from you. Promise me that you will not give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not during this shadowing challenge. Can you promise that? Yes, wonderful. I knew you could. This is day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. You can do this, right? Of course you can. Here are the instructions. Very simple. I will say a sentence, you listen, then you repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice again if you want. Follow the subtitles on the screen. Watch the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm. Hear the sound. Speak with me. That's all. And don't worry, we will go step by step. Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Excellent! I am not scared of making mistakes. I am not scared of making mistakes. I am not scared of making mistakes. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. Great! I feel happy about my progress. I feel happy about my progress. I feel happy about my progress. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. You are doing very well. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. Wonderful! Let's continue. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I try every day. I try every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Excellent! Don't stop. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. Great job! We have finished 10 sentences. Now let's make it a little harder, just a bit. Here are some longer sentences. My effort today builds my fluency tomorrow. My effort today builds my fluency tomorrow. My effort today builds my fluency tomorrow. I am not quitting. I am growing. I am not quitting. I am growing. I am not quitting. I am growing. Wonderful! My journey is beautiful, even when it is slow. My journey is beautiful, even when it is slow. My journey is beautiful, even when it is slow. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. I build my confidence one word at a time. I improve with every practice. Great. Let's keep going. I understand more than I think I do. I speak out loud helps me learn faster. I show up even when it feels difficult. Every mistake teaches me something new. Amazing! You finished 20 sentences. Give yourself a big smile. You deserve it. You are showing up and putting in effort. That's how progress is made. Ready for more? Let's finish the last 10 sentences together. Day 1 of your challenge already feels strong and positive. Take a sip of water if you need. Stretch a little. When you're ready, let's continue. Every day, I become more confident in English. Every day, I become more confident in English. Every day, I become more confident in English. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. I am proud of my progress, even if it is small. I am proud of my progress, even if it is small. I am proud of my progress. Great! Let's continue. English is not difficult, it is just new. English is not difficult, it is just new. English is not difficult, it is just new. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. My English improves with every word I say. My English improves with every word I say. My English improves with every word I say. Excellent! Even a little practice makes a big change. Even a little practice makes a big change. Even a little practice makes a big change. Now, let's do the last two sentences. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is only the beginning of my English success. This is only the beginning of my English success. This is only the beginning of my English success. Well done! You have completed all 30 sentences in your shadowing practice. Did you enjoy this challenge? I hope you did. You showed up for yourself today. That is something special. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up, trying, and speaking. You have finished day 1 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. You should feel proud of yourself. If you ever feel stuck, come back and practice again. This video is always here for you. Each time you repeat, you become a little stronger. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember that I am truly proud of you. You can do this.